Hello friends, welcome to my another video tutorial of Java. In this video tutorial, I'm going to tell you about the type conversion in Java. Type conversion is basically changing of value from one data type variable to another data type, and the data type converge are either of two types, for example implicit casting or explicit casting. First of all, implicit casting is also known as widening casting or automatic type conversion. In this, we can convert a lower data type variable, for example, the lower data type variable of byte, it can be converted to a little bit higher data type variable like short, and short can be further converted to int or long or float, and or last is double. This is for implicit type conversion, which is done automatically by Java compiler. But on the other hand side, explicit type conversion or narrowing type conversion, in which we have to convert the higher data type variable to some lower data type variable like double or long or float to int or float to long, or it can be anything, float to short or into byte or short. It can be any type of conversion, but this type of conversion is not done by JVM. If you try that thing, then JVM definitely give you an error message. But this thing can be done by programmatically by forcefully converting higher data type variable to lower data type variable. Let me stop this slide and open my Notepad compiler. There is a comment related to what we am going to do here, like implicit casting and explicit casting. This is my class type conversion, and this is public static void main. Let me save this file with the class name. Okay, here it is, type conversion .java source file. Let me save it. Okay, it's done. Type conversion, this is file name over here. Let's see. First of all, if I make a variable of byte like a is equal to 126 in value, and now system dot out dot println, and let me some string literal over here, byte is equal to concatenate it with a. Now this thing is possible easily. Now if I want to convert that a variable data type variable of byte to some higher data type like short b is equal to a, then this type of conversion is done automatically by JVM, and it will not give you an error message while compile and executing this code. Okay, now if I again convert it to some higher data type instead of int, then c is equal to b. I automatically convert byte also to long, then it will also correct thing. Okay, let me copy and paste like c, and here is long. Save it and let me compile it first, so we can see the integral type value can easily be shared this thing java c type conversion dot java. Let me check the name of class. Okay, that's right, and file name is also okay. Enter. Okay, compiled. Now java and type conversion. Okay, now you can see that all 126 value is automatically converted to byte to short and short to long. Now let me sorry for that. Now let me make a float data type, float b is equal to c. So d is equal to c and paste it, c, sorry, d is my variable, and here it is float data type, and save it. And now let me compile it, Java C, and convert. Okay, now you see that the integer, the byte to short and short to long data type, that is value is 126, and after converting storing that long data type value to float data type value, then it automatically convert that value to float, that is 126.0. This 0 is initially not there in byte, short and long, but point 0 is automatically add to float data type. This thing is automatically done by Java compiler. Now if we let me close that things first. It gave me some technical problem over here. Okay, now it's okay. Yeah. Now if I want to convert that higher data type value to lower data type value, for example, let me first change to this. Okay, float data type to higher. Let me add some value to this, like d is equal to d plus 0.2564, for example, and I have to, I think, put f over here. Okay, now system out b for changed float. Okay, let me save it and again compile it. Okay, no error message. Now you can see over here that I got 126.54, add to that 126, and now let's see to explicit conversion. Let me clear the screen over here. Okay, now I want to convert that value to lower data type value. For that, suppose I use same variable from upper side, like C is equal to B, and system out println. If you try this kind of statement, you will definitely get an error message from your compiler like this. The message is here: incompatible type, possible loosely conversion from float to long. Now I cannot convert float to long directly, so for doing that thing, I need to forcefully convert that thing by putting brackets here and write the similar kind of data type. That C is a long data type, then I have to type long here and save this thing. Now compile it first. Okay, no error, and execute it. Now you see that the pointing value 0.256 value is not the part of this variable anymore. Now here we lose that value while changing to higher data type value to lower data type value. So this kind of problem may face, so make sure when you are converting from higher to lower, then the data loss shouldn't be part of your program. So further, if I reduce that value to another some value, but before that let me change some value over here, C plus, let me double that value 126 and save it. And after that again let me show some value from here, and now I want to convert it to byte type value. So byte is my variable is a is equal to C, and let me copy this statement from upper part, copy, and now let me paste it. Now save. Now in 126 plus 126 is near about 252 near about, and when I convert that 252 value to byte, the smallest data type, then let's see what will happen. I think it's 252 something. I can be wrong. Okay, now first of all it give me an error message. What is the error? That incompatible type, possibly loosely conversion from long to byte. Now again I have to convert that variable forcefully. Now my destination is of byte data type now, and I have to type here byte and save it. Now again clear the screen, compile, and execute. Okay, I'm right, 252 I think. Now you see that this is totally loss of value, that 252 is not the range for byte data type, because byte data type range is post plus to 127, so it is out beyond the range of that particular data type range. Now I got a something else, so make sure again when you convert that some value from high data type to low data type, then there may be loss of some value. So try to save programming and use type conversion properly, so you may not lose any kind of value. So thank you for watching, and do subscribe my channel and share this video. Thank you.